Nakakaranas ba kayo ng hindi maipaliwanag na sakit sa inyong katawan? Nandito na ang Tibicus. Ang Tibicus ay nagbibigay intestinal health like istol consistency, restore normal intestinal microflora, improves lactose absorption, digestion, anti-diarrhea, anti-colon cancer. Ang Tibicus ay may health benefits for anti-fatigue, lowers blood pressure, anti-diabetic effect, cardioprotective, immune system booster, antiviral, antifungal, antibacterial, anti-allergy, anti-periodontic, anti-atherosclerotic. Ang Tibicus ay functional food, a supplemental health drink formulated to support the immune system and regulates body functions. Ang Tibicus ay formulated by Dr. Marilu Hanibi Tamayo, Doctor of Ministry in Alternative Medicine, Naturopath, CAA, President of the Integrated Naturopathic Association for Asia and the Pacific Incorporated, member of the Diabetes Society of the Philippines, assisted project by the Department of Science and Technology and approved by the FDA. Sa mga gustong magpakonsulta o magtanong tungkol sa mga iba pang naibibigay ng Tibicus, puntahan lamang ang kanilang mga opisina.